Today in the Keto Twins test kitchen, we're going to be trying a new keto/carnivore pizza crust. So I'm Emily and my twin sister Sarah is behind the camera, and we have been on keto since 2019 and we've lost about 160 pounds. And on this channel, we love trying and testing recipes for all of you. That's keto, low carb, carnivore, which is also keto. And we just explore the niche, trying to find trending or exciting ideas to try. And today's idea is pretty cool. It's a pork rind pizza crust that kind of falls in the carnivore sphere, but it's mostly keto. And we've tried many low net carb recipes for pizza here on our channel. And some of them are really easy and some of them are more difficult. And it's one of those things that people miss on keto or low carb. That's pizza. And there's so many different types of recipes that sometimes you just don't know if it's going to be worth it or not, or the crust is going to be good. That's why we like to try these testing videos where we try these recipes for you. And this recipe actually came from one of our viewers. So thank you to Jackie who sent this in to us. We are on Instagram if you want to follow us there at Keto Twins Official. We have our own Facebook group, Keto with the Keto Twins. And you can always leave a comment below. And sometimes we'll choose your recipes to try here on our channel. So Jackie says that her favorite type of pizza crust is only a couple of ingredients, and that is cream cheese, eggs, ground pork rinds, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some spices. So we're gonna try this recipe right now. It seems pretty easy. The first step is you're going to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. So the interesting thing about this recipe with a lot of keto-friendly doughs, pizza dough, fathead dough, is that you need to melt everything together. And in this recipe that Jackie sent me, it's like you just mix it all together without melting the mozzarella. So I'm gonna add 4 large eggs into this bowl and whisk those all together. I'm gonna follow it with softened cream cheese. I did put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds, so it's easy to incorporate in the eggs. Then we're gonna go in with our mozzarella, 2 cups of mozzarella, 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan in here. And then we're gonna add in our spices, and then we're gonna add in the pork rinds last. This is pork panko. There's other brands that you can use, but you can even crush your own. We like to use crushed pork rinds as a breading to like fry mozzarella sticks, or what else do we do?
Onion rings.
Onion rings. You could do
chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders. It's pretty much endless what you can do with crushed pork rinds. It acts like panko. Last up goes in our pork panko. This is 1 cup. All right, so we've been letting this sit for like 5 or 7 minutes, coffee break. And a lot of times with keto flours, like pork panko, almond flour, if you let it sit, it has time to absorb better because it's not like normal flour. So we were gonna use like a rectangular baking sheet to make this, but last minute we decided to use this baking pizza pan that we have by Chicago Metallic because I wanna make a circular pizza. Even though rectangular pizzas are common in Chicago.
What does the thickness have to be?
It doesn't have to be anything, but I'm assuming like 1/2 inch or less. I like thinner.
Yeah, thinner crusts.
This is a very large pizza pan, so I feel like this side's a little thicker.
Don't lose it.
So this looks pretty good. I hope it's the right thickness. We're gonna put this in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes.
Be something.
So there's 10 seconds left, and let's check on it. Whoa.
Ooh, it popped up a lot.
This has to rest. So we're gonna leave this to rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna start building out our pizza. We're gonna try something a little new today. I know that we have a lot of Canadians that watch us. Hello. Apparently in Ontario, there's a special way that you guys eat pepperoni pizza, and we're gonna try that. They eat shredded pepperoni on their pizza. And so we thought we'd try that here on our channel today. We're open to new ideas. But first we have to let this cool down completely. I don't know, but what was I gonna say? So I don't know how much sauce you guys like to use. I'm a light sauce type of person in this regard.
This is a sugar-free pizza sauce by Whole Foods.
I'm not decided yet on the amount. I just kind of try to spread it
To the side.
all the way to the edges. See that?
Mhm.
I don't know how Sarah feels. I don't really
No, I
care.
agree.
Okay. It's not that I don't care how you feel. It's just that we're gonna make it how I want to make it.
Yeah. This is, you can build your own adventure. This is
Pineapple on pizza. I was a fan. I
can't have it on keto, but
no, but I enjoyed pineapple on pizza before.
Yep. Do you need that much cheese on it because it's all made of cheese? Do you know what I mean?
I think it needs to feel
Substantial.
Yeah.
Okay.
a couple handfuls of cheese here. Pepperoni. I'm just gonna go from above and kind of
Sprinkle it. What's your favorite topping? Let us know.
I'm
We're
a
interested.
supreme person.
Yeah. Green pepper, sausage, what? Onions,
Mhm.
olives. I like olives on my pizza. Black olives.
Now, this is just gonna go in for maybe 5 minutes, 6 minutes, so that everything melts and it gets all crispy and oily. And then we'll take it out. We're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try this carnivore pork panko pizza crust. First pizza crust of 2025 that we're trying. Whoever came up with that fathead dough recipe that started it off, this is heavy. Whoa.
Yummy.
It's like fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
It's like spongy a little
I feel
bit.
like I'm always amazed by the texture of what cheese can be
Right.
in a keto application. Sweet, savory. I don't taste the pork rinds at all, really.
No,
Do you?
not at all.
You know, I think the Canadians are onto something here. I like the little pepperonis
It's
slices.
like pepperoni sprinkles.
Yeah, and it's like you get more pepperoni on each bite.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of like one pepperoni that kind of like
You
slides
pull off.
off.
Yeah. I like it.
Same. Super delicious. Could we have gone with a thinner crust?
Yes. But this reminds me of like some pizzas that you get that are like thicker.
Yeah.
They're not super thin. They're like more like, I don't know if it's
Doughy.
called tavern cut.
It has a thicker crust.
Right.
A doughier crust, yeah. Mm-hmm.
And I like it.
2 pieces of this, I doubt you would be able to eat this whole thing too, right? 2 pieces would be like, I'm full.
I'm going in for a second one right now.
This is so, you know, high in calories, but also fat, protein. It's going to keep you full for longer. Thank you, Jackie, for sharing this recipe. We're going to leave the exact measurements in the description below the video if you guys want any of the measurements. And yeah, please feel free to share any of the recipes that you want us to try.
We love it.
Yeah. So YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video, so why don't you click on it and find out, and we'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out. Yo, Mo.
Thank you out.